Hey guys, just Starr here with the Starr team at Keller Williams Legacy Partners, standing outside our wonderful new listing. This one is 6 Mathers Crossing in the heart of Simsbury, part of the Central Elementary School District, close to hiking and biking trails, the Farmington River. If you love to fish, go kayaking, you want to be outside and enjoy quick trip on the bike path to the center of Simsbury for lots of great restaurants, coffee shops, you name it, and tons of cute stores. What I love about this property, it's got public utilities, a 1-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, central air, 2021 brand new roof, all exterior siding repainted, 2022 new remodeled kitchen with some newer stainless appliances as well, beautiful countertops, nice slider to a private deck as well, and it's just a really great location. The living room here also has a fireplace and is open to another dining area if you want, or just a really big living room or office space at the back of it too. This one is not going to last long. It's priced to sell. These sellers say sell. Give us a call, 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starteam.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.